Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got my industrial 8-inch jet bench grinder, took it out of the box, assembled everything, and I just want to tell you some of the things that I like about it a lot so far. Of course, one, I love that it has the dual side eye guards here. So I love that it has that. I love that it has this like vacuum tubes here. It was super easy to put together. Just take those, push it in place, and then you can hook up your vacuum or dust bag or whatever. So it will extract all of the extra dust or a bunch of the extra dust because you don't want to have that stuff blowing in your face. So I love that about it. I love just how heavy duty it is. I mean, this thing is heavy. It's about 60, 65 pounds, I think is what it said on the box. I mean, it super, like literally is industrial and very heavy duty. The cord is long and very heavy duty. I love that. It comes with two of these grinding stones, 8-inch grinding stones. So I took this side apart just so you can see how it comes apart and know that you can change the stones itself. So it comes apart easy. I mean, you had, I don't remember, 6 bolts or 5 bolts, something like that, 5 bolts. Take them out of the ends. This was on there, and this was on the stone. So you just make sure the first ones that had the sticker, so you just pry those off, and that's what you need in order to go ahead and change your wheel. So pull them off and put them on your other wheel or grinding wheel, whatever you're going to put on there, and then it easily just goes back together. I love the safety switch and power switch on here. Super easy to use. So really, guys, seriously, for the price of this thing, to get a really heavy duty piece of equipment like this, it's a great value, and I'm super happy with it.